So, dude, tell me about your stock yesterday before I get into my action. What happened yesterday?
Well, OCGN came out with news on the U.S. commercial. How they're going to
it's down
the U.S. And so as soon as that news struck, it went from $1.80 up to $2 when I alerted the room. I posted it on the spikes, and then we hit 3 green bars, and it went from 240 to 3, and then it bounced all the way to 373 was the high.
Look at it this morning. Made a big jump. Oh, no, this is the yesterday. No, this is today. No, this is yesterday. You're right.
Yeah, yesterday, because today it's down
81, right through 2, hit 211, and then it went to 373.
And that's the second time it's done that too.
So you took some profits?
I took a little bit of profits into the 3s, and then I'm going to reposition myself because I knew it was going to drop down today, so I'll buy it back.
Cool. How much you make on that?
I was up 22 grand, but I only cashed out 5.
Ooh, you dropped 17, huh? It's a chunk, bro. It's a heartache. What does that teach you?
Well, it teaches me, day trading is different than swinging long, and so I think this is the
Incorrect.
one. Incorrect?
Yeah. What does it teach you? Try again.
It teaches me to take profits.
Better freaking ask somebody. Grab a pen and a piece of paper and write this shit down. I just gave up $15,000 because I'm an analyst. Dude, you ain't getting paid to be no analyst, bro. You just costed you 15 grand trying to be an analyst. You made the greatest pick. You were on it. You knew something was going on. You've been trading it for the last week or two. Something's been going on with it. It didn't make its big move until yesterday. Yesterday, you were up 20 grand. And I do have to believe, because I know you for a long time now, several years, that was one of the largest profits you've ever seen or made ever in your history and career, correct?
Second biggest. There
you go. You were close. Okay? Don't ever do that again, ever, because now you're playing with house money. All you have to do is sell it when it was up there in the 3s. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Then you got chip stacks. Your stack of chips just went from this to this. Okay? Now cash out. I win that. Okay? Now you could buy it back with that. But you stayed in it, so you're only buying it back with that. You knew it was going to drop. Wouldn't you rather have that chip stack? Because every one of these oranges is $10,000. My chip stack. Okay? Makes sense, right?
Yes.
Better do it. Don't let it happen again. Next time I'll know and I'll make you sell it. And then what's the next step after you make $23,000 in your account? What do you do next? You don't just buy it back like I told you. What do you do? What's next step for business in Mojo that I teach and you've learned? And if you didn't learn it, you'll know it now, and then you'll do it, and we'll be happy days for 2021. What is it?
Invest.
Incorrect. Wrong. Anybody know? What's the next step? Oliver's got it. What do you got, Oliver?
Take your money in your hand.
That's what you need to do, a withdrawal. Do you know why? Because see this chip stack? That's my account. See this? That's this week's profits. So every orange is 10,000. So I got 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 32,100 in profits. Kind of like you. See that? This, I always will leave. This is the account. These are the profits. See how they're sitting on top? Take it out. Withdraw it to the bank. Now you still have this. I could still make that. I don't need to add this on top of this and be a big guy and be like, oh my gosh, look at the size of my account. You don't need that. Because boom, all you need is that. Take that out. That's the business. Do you understand? That's what you got to do. That's it. It's so simple. Stop thinking like a trader and an analyst and conduct it like a business, and you'll make 2 or 3 times the amount of money at the end of the year than you ever would.